focus first on working them through the design process until we get to a stable design, at which point we then transition into the manufacturing process, which we then ramp up into full-scale production.
We're able to take on all of the engineering creativity, or we're willing to work within the confines of a company's existing standards or specifications.
We're surrounded by a variety of environmental chambers that cover both temperature ranges and humidity ranges. The next step would be mechanical testing. So this is exhibiting different forces, torques, pull testing that would go in the part, and then we'd move into accelerated durability testing.
The best part about working here are the people. We are here like a family, and this shows. This is why everybody jumps in for each other and helps each other out when needed. This is why we can cross over in departments if needed. I think that makes a difference.
With Marquardt, it's not just making the sale and creating a contract. We're looking to have partnerships with companies in the local area. After moving into series production, it's not where the relationship ends.